What's up, y'all? Y'all already know it's Lily Lavender, and today I'm coming to you guys with a very special video because my mom hates makeup. And I don't know if any of you guys have a Caribbean parent who is super Christian and does not like makeup or anything that looks kind of like mumble. If you Haitian, you know what a mumble is. My mom does not like makeup, so I'm so surprised she let me do this. First of all, I put primer. Second, right now I'm putting on Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and it is in color Nutmeg. I'm having so much fun. I bet in her mind she's like, yo, why did I let her do this? And I know going into the video, I'm sure you guys will probably pinpoint where she's just like, oh my gosh. So I'm using eyebrow pencil by Wet n Wild, and it's called Simmer Brown Now. And don't mind my ghetto eyebrow brush, or I think it's called a mascara brush, but that is literally a mascara brush that is brand new. I could not find the brush I normally use for brows, but that's, you know, neither here or there. So as you can see, I already started up cleaning around her brows. My mom does not cut her eyebrows whatsoever, so you know I gotta work with what I got, and I am trying my best to go ahead and clean up her eyebrows as best as I can. Also considering the fact that she has lupus, so a lot of times her eyes are swollen, so it's kind of hard to do her makeup anyway. So the palette that I'm using is Nubian 2, I think, and I am using, I don't even remember, I'm using that brown that's in that palette, and also the burgundy color that's in that palette. I can't even think of the name right now, but anyways, I went ahead and took my same concealer that I used for her brows and used it on her eyebrows just so I could have a good, you know, foundation to apply the other eyeshadow, which I'm gonna still be using a burgundy on the outer corners of her eyes, and on the inner corners I'm gonna be using like a silverish kind of color. You guys are gonna see because I'm gonna go ahead and get up close and show you the color, but yeah, you get the point. So yeah, bam, it's the color Zuri. That's what I'm gonna use in the inner corners of her eyes. You know, it's really cute, really soft. I kind of was trying to match her headscarf. That's kind of what I was going for. And going into the video, mind you, I'm not a professional when it comes to doing people makeup. Eyeshadow, I can do. Lashes, eyeliner, and when you continue to watch this video, you're gonna see why I say As you can see, I already applied the lashes. You know, I'm not a professional. I already warned you guys ahead of time, so yeah. Now I'm going ahead and contouring her face. Bam, bam, bam. Looking like a Native American. You know. And the dark concealer I use is from Black Radiance, I believe, and it's like the darkest one that they have, because it's hard for me to really find a really dark, cheap concealer stick, so I found that one and I'm using that one. And now I am using kind of, I think, what color is that? Let me see, I got it right here. It is a loose setting powder. It's in color Banana. It was from Ross. It came with two. It came with a loose highlighter and that right there. I went ahead and I blended her face with, dang, I'm just skipping over the video, aren't I? I blended her face with some Maybelline Fit Me 360 powder, and now I have a Sephora blush on her face. Sephora blush on her face. I love this blush with all of me, and it's called Blush Me. Then I went ahead and used this highlighter, and I think I got this from Family Dollar as well, but I'm not mistaken, or Dollar General. I don't know, it was cute. And I'm applying that to her nose and her crease as well, which I already, or her inner eye as well, which I already did. For her lips, I'm using some Fenty Beauty, you know, and I don't remember what color that is even, but I got it right here, you know. It's in color, I don't even know, it don't even say what color it is, but I know it's like a burgundy color. And my mom, real lipstick, surprised she like put this on her, but she did, you know, she the real one. Appreciate it. And that is all. Hope you guys liked it. My mom didn't, but I hope you like it though.